let's add the rows and column to existing table. So first, you need to decide where you want to put the rows and column. I'm going to show you all the things that you need to know. Let's say you want to add rows on the left side. As you guys can see, you need to choose first this column. If you do like this, if you select this, and if you add or insert a column left, this is what it's going to happen. You don't want to do this, all right? So Control G, and you want to select this test one or this column, all right? Like the edge of the column, and select on insert once again, and then insert left, all right? And there we go, guys. You have created this successfully. So this is how you create the on the left side. Now to right side, the same pattern goes here. You need to select this column. You don't want to select this over here, and you want to right click and insert this. The same thing going to happen. You don't want that. Select this column, right click, insert. Now this time, insert right, just like that, and you have created the rows like that. All right. Now to do like in below, let me do C and V. Same things go here. If you select C on this section and you add the column below, see that? This is not what you want. So Control G, you want it to select this last column. All right. And now right click, insert, and insert below. And there you go, guys. You are creating a lot of column. And if you wanted to add it above, same thing, right click, insert above. There you go, guys. Now, let's say you don't want to create like, and you just want to add. You just need to hit on tab button. So hit on tab button and bring that to the end box, hit on tab button, and that's it, guys. And you can now scale up this table, how much size you want it to, according to your need. So it's that simple, guys. This is how you can add 360 rows and column, and hope this video helped you out. See you guys in the next video. Peace.